How do we calculate capital employed? Well, we need to take capital employed at the start of the year, not average, not at the end of the year, especially not at the end of the year. And we need to write about that. So, for example, if you have a question which says, please comment on whether someone has calculated economic value added correctly, you will say, the accountant was right to take capital employed at the start of the year. It is important. You are supposed to write about that and look whether capital employed is at the start of the year. And also, we will add to capital employed accumulated adjustments from previous year's notional operating profit after tax adjustments. And the weighted average cost of capital is calculated as usual. So we take proportion of equity multiplied by cost of equity plus proportion of debt multiplied by post-tax cost of debt. That's how we calculate EVA. And we do that because the calculation would be in line with shareholders' expectation, and therefore using EVA as our benchmark, as our KPI, we will make sure that we aim at shareholders' wealth maximization. And EVA encourages expenditure in areas that create benefits for the long term, such as advertising, research and development, or training. And it removes distortion from accounting policies, such as impact of provisions. It is consistent with NPV because we include investment, because we include cost of capital. And however, there are many drawbacks. Well, first of all, it is complicated to calculate and it is hard to understand, especially for non-financial managers. And it is based on historical data. So it is better than return on capital employed, but it has limited use if we want to measure, to project future performance. It's an absolute measure, so it makes companies of different sizes not comparable, and divisions of different sizes will be not comparable. So that is how we calculate our EVA, and I know that it is overwhelming, but it's not actually a rocket science, so you just need to practice a little bit, and then everything will be okay. Okay.